Hi, are you looking to make your own commercial grade swing set? Watch today's video. I think you'll like it. Hi, this is Ross with DIY on the House, and to stay true to our form, we're going to do our own DIY swing set. It's going to have two swings and then a separate section for a baby swing or a rope climbing area. So we're building a swing set, and we also have the slide already in place that we got from a city park. So we went ahead and borrowed my son's excavator, and he's got a drill on it as well. And we cleared off the area and drilled the holes for the new swing set, and it's going to be monster. It's going to be the mother of swings. So the swing uprights are going to be 12 foot apart, and I've got sonic tubes in the ground, and those are all 30 inches deep. And we've got two of those, of course. And then we're going to weld our swing set frame up, and then we're going to get that placed, concrete it. And then after that's cured, we'll go ahead and get it painted and start doing attachments. So what we have a 3.5 inch metal pipe. This is Schedule 40. I'm going to coat these out on both sides, and that'll fit into the pipe here, and then we'll weld that up. We'll have to do that on both of the uprights themselves. And so 30 inches of this pipe will actually be buried in concrete. We'll be doing roughly 80-pound bags in the hole. So it's going to be pretty stout down low. I don't foresee having to put any braces in, but if we do, we can add them later in case there's any movement in the swing set itself. As far as hanging the swings, we got these 2-inch weldable D-rings that we're going to be attaching to the bar itself. We got these off of Amazon, and we will have the link down below, but these are definitely, I think they're rated to 12,000 pounds. So unless we have a really large child, these are going to do the trick. So how these work is you've got the D-ring itself, and then you've got a little weldable hanger right here. And what will happen is these will be attached to the pipe, and then you'll weld both sides on the back and the front, and those will be allowed to swing. So we have our uprights. Those are going to be 12 feet apart. And then we're going to have, like we said, this little area to keep little children away from the big kids. Then we'll also have carabiners on here that we can detach the swing. And then if we want to put a rope on this, which we probably will, and they'll be able to do a little rope climb. Well, we got the swing set is up, and we decided we needed some bracing to take care of any of the tension that might be going up top when the swings are going, maybe both at the same time. And we didn't want something to rack out of shape. So we decided to go ahead and put in a balance beam. I actually found this in my pile of stuff in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, weld it up, and then concrete the legs in. So we're going to go ahead and get this all welded in and get it tacked up. Just keep adding on to the swing set.